Hold the phone, I'm making a YouTube video.
I'm glad the girls rock. So you wouldn't have to walk in.
Glitter. Jimmy, open the glitter for me. No, wait. Glitter better. Colgate slime.
This is it. Turn it on and I say, hello guys.
Shut up.
This is my slime.
I'm making a fucking video. Shut that mother.
Mommy, no?
Shut up. You can't do that when I'm videotaping. Go and look for Sharon. Guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you like it. Link below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And then you see the other videos. I hope you do it. Now, the ingredients for the slime, I think I'll be putting it in the link below. Right? It involves fly spray, cream, them kind of jelly soap, like that sort of feel like slime, but it's not actually slime, jelly soap, some glue, some mentholated, some paint, and Elmo's school glue, Elmo's gel washable glue. And this is my video, and I hope you like it. Bye.